In this video, I will show you how to add agency commission rules. First, we're going to navigate to the top right of your menu, and we're going to hover over your name and click on Agency Profile. This is your agency details page. Now you'll click on Commission Rules and Agency Commission Rules. Next, you will click on Add New next to the Commission Rules list. You're going to choose your carrier. If you have an MGA, you will select that MGA. You also have the option to further filter this commission rule down to referral sources. You could add dates from and to that this commission rule is valid. You can further narrow this down to a particular line of business class with a line of business. You can even choose a location. If this carrier also has carrier downloads, you will always want to check mark Ignore during carrier downloads processing. Then you will select your new business rate and your renewal rate. And then you will save this. Now here is the rule that we set up. Thank you.